evening and welcome. For well over a decade, I have been fighting lobbies and coteries. You have heard me utter the words Lutyens and entitled. Today, these extend to Bollywood, the film industry, in the shadow of the death of a bright young star and a very, very candid interview given by one of the most talented, outspoken and self-made individuals of the same industry. Both Sushant Singh Rajput and Kangana have in their own way fired up a conversation, a dialogue, a debate. And we are asking the same questions. The questioning must not stop. The debate must not end. We should not accept what is wrong to be okay. And today I'm glad that in these times, when the guilt of being responsible for Sushant's death is hanging over the Bollywood lobby, which is in hiding as we speak tonight, let us come together even stronger to fight them and to fight harder for Sushant. And there is another matter I want to speak to you about. I'm shocked that those who call for violence against Indian forces, ISI agents. An ISI agent is allegedly doing business with Bollywood superstars. And the same lobby is quiet. The whole country is demanding justice for Sushant Singh Rajput, against whom the worst crimes were committed by the same Bollywood lobby. And this lobby is quiet again, choosing instead to send a series of threats against Kangana for speaking up for justice, for crying out loud for justice. The hypocrisy of Bollywood has never been as much in public display, and tonight, and I intend to, in the course of the next 2 hours, rip it open in our two debates this evening. Two debates this evening, viewers. Two debates. Debate number one. We hear of deep links between people from the ISI and Bollywood. Now, come on. How is this acceptable? The Bollywood Park link. Adnan Sami will be joining me on the debate tonight. I'm also going to be playing clips of my interview with Shatrughan Sinha as national anger grows against lobbies in Bollywood. All this and more is coming up, ladies and gentlemen.
I think it's high time that this information being in public domain, people in Bollywood should dump these ISI handlers, should renounce them, should cut their links.
Top BJP leader puts the spotlight on Bollywood's deep connections with ISI stooges. Pictures out, business deals being questioned, story broken on Republic causes tremors in Bollywood. Shah Rukh Khan to Karan Johar, will they declare and renounce their links with pro-Pak, anti-India lobbies? Unprecedented support builds up for Kangana Ranaut. She questions the Mumbai police once again for not sending her a formal summons.
बाकी लोग जो अब हैं सुशांत के लिए लड़ रहे हैं, उनके साथ न्याय हो. हम तो सिर्फ न्याय चाहते हैं.
Demand for justice becomes a national outcry. Citizens lead the first ever digital movement for Sushant. And what is Shotgun's take on the Bollywood mafia? What excerpts of the explosive interview at 10 p.m. tonight?